Football is a sport where injuries occur on a day-to-day basis. One of the most common injuries in this sport is the concussion. A concussion is a type of brain injury that can have serious long-term effects if someone receives multiple concussions in a short period of time. Concussions are so prevalent in this sport because of the constant head-to-head collisions while tackling. The most notable long-term effect caused by these concussions is CTE, a brain disease that can have lethal effects on the body. One of the newest members to receive the concussion curse is Green Bay Packer wide receiver Davante Adams. Adams was drafted 53rd overall in the 2014 NFL Draft from Fresno State University and experienced another remarkable season in 2017 as he hauled in 73 receptions and totaled 885 yards receiving. Adams was elected to his first Pro Bowl and is poised for another spectacular season in 2018 with the departure of number 1 wide receiver Jordy Nelson. At Sports Science, we wanted to find the science behind how Davante Adams is able to blow past defensive backs when pressed at the line of scrimmage and pick apart zone coverages with his unreal speed and athleticism. We used statistics from Adams' official 40-yard dash at the 2014 NFL Draft Combine in order to determine key aspects of his speed.
In order to do this, we needed to solve for his acceleration and his final velocity. Our givens were 40 point yards as a distance, but when knowing that the 1 meter equals 1.09361 yards, the conversion turns out to be 36.5761131 meters. Another given is a time of 4.50 seconds and a v0 of 0 meters per second. Using the equation d equals v0 t plus 1/2 at squared, we could solve for the acceleration using the simplified equation a equals 2d over t squared, as v0 is 0 and it cancels out part of the previous equation. With this, the acceleration equals 2 times 36.5761131 meters over 4.50 squared, which turns out to be 3.6124553339 meters over second squared. However, 40 point yards is 2 sig figs, so Davante Adams' acceleration is 3.6 meters over second squared. When solving for v final, we use the equation v final equals v0 plus at, using the acceleration we had just solved for. When rearranging the equation, you get v final equals at as v0 equals 0. This means that v final equals 3.6124553339 times 4.50, which turns out to be 16.2560490 meters over seconds. Again, this answer should only have 2 sig figs, so Davante Adams' final velocity in his 40-yard dash is 16 meters per second.
On the mid too. He's really going to be a good football player.
On a Thursday night football game in Week 4 of the 2017 NFL season, Davante Adams caught a simple slant route from quarterback Aaron Rodgers. The Packers were leading 21-7 against the Chicago Bears, and in the third quarter, Adams was hit by Bears linebacker Danny Trevathan. After catching the pass, Adams was stopped by strong safety Adrian Amos, which stopped his forward progress. Then Trevathan rushed in and hit Adams with a helmet-to-helmet collision, which resulted in Davante Adams receiving a concussion.
319 set, hut.
Rodgers is, it's a screen.
Up the middle screen to Adams. Ooh, he got popped in the face.
Oh my
Mouth guard comes out and they're asking for help right away.
Jim, oh no.
We wanted to calculate what the force and momentum of his hit was. Our givens was Adams' mass of 104.78 kilograms, his acceleration of 7.0 meters per second squared, and his speed of 18 miles per hour. But when knowing that 1 meter per second equals 2.23694 miles per hour, we get the conversion to equal 8.046706662 meters per second. Using the equation force equals mass times acceleration, we can solve for the force of his hit. This means that the force equals 104.78 times 7.0, which equals 733.46. However, 7.0 meters per second squared has 2 sig figs, so the force comes out to be 730 newtons. When solving for the momentum of his hit, we use the equation momentum equals mass times velocity. This means that the momentum equals 104.78 times 8.046706662, which equals 843.133924 kilograms meters over seconds. Once again, this has 2 sig figs, so the momentum of Davante Adams' hit is 840 kilograms meters over seconds.